Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Airflow DAGs on Google Cloud Composer. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Airflow DAGs on Google Cloud Composer, start by navigating to the Google Cloud Console. Select your Google Cloud project from the top project drop-down menu. In the left-hand menu, locate and click on Composer. Choose the Composer environment where you want to enable the DAGs. Once in the environment details, click on the DAGs tab. To upload a new DAG, click on the Upload button. Select the DAG file from your local machine that you wish to upload. Ensure the DAG file is in a correct format compatible with Airflow. After the upload completes, you will see a confirmation message. Next, open the Airflow web interface by navigating to the web interface link in your Composer environment. In the Airflow dashboard, you should see your newly uploaded DAG listed under the DAG section. To enable the DAG, simply toggle the switch next to your DAG name. Refresh the page to ensure your DAG is active. If you encounter any issues, check the logs for debugging information. Your DAG is now successfully enabled and ready to be scheduled. You can schedule the DAG by setting the appropriate triggers or running it manually. That's it. You've successfully enabled Airflow DAGs on Google Cloud Composer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.